What's up, guys? Another video. Today we're back. First video with 3D tuning on the keyboard and TV. Just made this. Scrap that. So today we are going to be making. Don't know yet. Don't know. Let's go Chevy maybe. Let's go Chevy route. Chevy route. Chevy. Sure. Let's go to Ford route. I want to make like a mudding truck. Like I'm just a monster. Whoa. Okay. Agree. I agree. That's what we're making. That's just what the heck. Ooh, hello neighbor. But no. Alright, so let's open you up. Let's hear it first. Go start. Okay, this sounds nice. Let's go front wheel. Let's go. I don't know what wheel. Wheel maybe? No, I don't like that wheel. Where are actual wheels that dang? All these wheels suck. There's some wheels. Okay. Apply. Next, tires. We're making this thing a mudding truck. You'll see how in a little. Try to find out a good tire. This one right here. That's a good tire though. And this one right here, the 12. Alright, she's on. I like that, alright. Okay, that door is awesome. We need a hitch, we can pull some stuff. Okay, here's where we have to listen. That was normal. Okay, I like that. That one looks cool. It's a burner. Okay, stop now. Yeah. All this color's changing. It's gonna be pitch black. It's gonna get called Moonlight. Headlights, are they on? Oh, they are. Yes. Order lights. That? Oh, we can put a splitter on this. Oh my god, we're not trying to make a drag car. But oh my god, yes we are. We are making a drag car. We're making a drag car. Okay, the engine is where it comes in. The one with the bell is nice. It's flipping. This thing is flipping a beast. The old Ford. Or the old. Yeah, I knew that. BG. And these. Oh. Ah. Oh, we have to come back and put that splitter on. I don't like the splitter. Or we just keep it forward. No, yeah, I'm gonna keep it forward. I kind of want a racing truck here. Just keep it down a little forward. There we go. Keep it like that. Oh my God, this morning. We need protection. Oh, and they don't expect us to put a detail on the side. Eagle. Oh, this should be blacked out. Or no, this should be like a blue with the, oh no, orange with the black tire in it. Yes! Yes! AD on the back, ADB. This is gone. No. What's that? Oh, keep going. Good, we're not for sale. No. Oh, alright. It finishes with orange. Black. Oh no. There will be black out. Interior will be final orange. With the black on it now? Ooh, I'm moving it. Oh my God, it's low. Oh, tinted windows? I would date this all the way maxed. Oh my God. I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.